Create dynamic URLs in Flask with URL_4. Half of my Flask routes requires a variable, say, /variable, /add or /variable, /remove. How do I create links to those locations? URL_for takes one argument for the function to route to, but I can't add arguments.
It takes keyword arguments for the variables. The Flask server would have functions.
URL_for in Flask is used for creating a URL to prevent the overhead of having to change URLs throughout an application, including in templates. Without URL_for, if there is a change in the root URL of your app, then you have to change it in every page where the link is present. Syntax: URL_for name of the function of the root, parameters if required. It can be used as. Now if you have a link the index page, you can use this. You can do a lot of stuff with it, for example. For the above we can use. Like this, you can simply pass the parameters.
Refer to the Flask API document for flask.url_for. Other sample snippets of usage for linking JS or CSS to your template are below.
Templates. Pass function name and argument. View function.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.